All right, today we're gonna bring a beautiful set of clippers. Now this is this is a trimmer, all right? A little small trimmer for those fine edges, those lines. Well, look at the details on the fine clipper, all right? Look at that. You got your for close-ups. Look at that. It's not two waves or three. It's actually multiple. Look at that. It increases, decreases, all right? This is a professional for those that work in the field, barber shops. These are perfect. They include all the clippers in the box, all right, including with extra clean material and clip-ons, all right. And these are for shorter. This is for the actual little razor here. A little cone, some guards, all right. Instructions how to use this and charge, all right. Now to turn it on, it's very simple. All you have to do is hold on the button, all right. And when you hold it on, it's going to turn on. It's going to give you like a level 0, 0 right now, but you just hold on to it and it's going to start automatically. 95%, that's a lock. Unlock it, just hold on the button, automatically starts running. So we're going to use this today. We use the edge, hold on the button, turn it off. Look at this one. Look at this fine one. Look at the details on it. Beautiful details that they have in here. I like the actual see-through area, so in case you see a lot of hair in there, you can actually oil it up, all right? And it does come with an oil bottle and cleaners, all right? Hold on the button once it starts blinking, and that's it. So let's put these to use and see how well they work. All right, so first of all, I want to try it out to see if it could actually cut the edges. So I'm going to go 0 for now. 1 for the actual beer, and then I'm going to finish it out with the alignment of this, all right, lining it up, because this is a little hard to line it up all the time, especially when we have a beer like mine. It's all over the place. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way to the top, to the fine edge, all right, and then we can work our way up. So once it starts blinking, all right, let it go. I'm going to see how it works. First time cutting it. I don't hear the blade, but that's number 1 all the way up, go all the way down. Let's see how it works. Oh yeah, fine cuts. Good on that part. This is the hardest part right here, right on the edge. It's actually cutting really good. Look at that. It's clean. Oh. All right, so now that we completed shaving the whole entire thing, I'm gonna go ahead and do the beer and then light it up. So we're gonna use number 1 on that one. I like number 1 because I like short. So clip on, very simple, all right? Just clip it on and it snaps in there, real simple, all right? The same thing, you could closer to the blade, farther to the blade. I'm gonna use it as close as possible. I'm gonna shave it down really, really shaved, so really low. Hold on to the button, starts up. Oh yeah, that's a lot of work right there. All right, now we are going to commence with the smaller blade, all right? And this is to get the line and also fine cuts in the between, because this is the hardest thing to actually cut. With this one, we're not going to places that this one can't go, all right? So this is actually really sharp edges here that we need to clean, and here. So let's do that. Hold on the button. fine edges on that one. This is where the cone actually comes in handy right here. This is where you want to make sure that you get the fine edges, all right? Look at that line. Look at that beautiful line right there. Let's fix this one right here. Look how crooked it is. Oh, I like that. Now let's fix the interior. Perfect lining. Look at that. Lining up really good with this one. And if you miss anything, you go even do the bottom of it too. But look at that. Fine cut. Precise cuts. Love the alignment. Very simple. This is my favorite tool overall right now. So I like that it's petite. It goes to the areas that other blades can't go. I like the combination for two. So if you have a lot of hair or short hair just like me, it's going to work either way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.